Ahoy mateys, and welcome to a new tutorial. This will be a 3-part video on setting up Capcom Play Systems 1 through 3. In this first video I will show you how to set up Capcom Play System 1. If you haven't already downloaded and installed Launchbox, the link is provided below. Also, locating ROMs for Capcom Play System isn't too hard. Run a Google search for CPS1, 2, and 3 and you should be able to find a download online. Let's get started with downloading Retroarch. The link is provided below. Retroarch is a great program for running multiple emulators. After downloading, run the install. Install a location on your computer. After the install is complete, open Retroarch and select Load Core. Download Core. Select Arcade MAME 2003. You will see it download below. Back up to the main menu. Let's set up our controls. Under Settings, select Input. Click Port 1 Controls and map your keys to your controller. I'm going to use an Xbox controller for this tutorial, but you can map the controller to any input you like. Let's configure Launchbox to run CPS1 ROMs. Go to Settings, Tools, Import, ROM Files. Next, Add Files. Navigate to your CPS1 ROMs folder and select all the ROMs and open. Next, under Platform type CPS1. Under Scrape As, selected Arcade and then click Next. For Choose an Emulator, select Add. Type CPS1 for emulator name. Browse to your Retroarch install location and select the retroarch.execute and then open. Open the Associated Platforms tab. Type CPS1 under Associated Platforms. Type the provided line under the default command line parameters. Check the box for default emulator and then click OK. Next, click Use Files in their current location and then select Next. 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 Check the box for Force Using MAME metadata and click Next. Next. And finish. Now you're ready to play Capcom Play System 1 ROM set. I will have more tutorials on setting up CPS2 and CPS3 in the future. If you like this video, pimp slap the like button, strangle the subscribe button, and headbutt the notification bell for future video content notifications. I would highly recommend having CPS 1 through 3 installed on your arcade. Until next time, buckos, this is the Arcade Pirate sailing out.